Hello and welcome to my second tour diary video for my Celtic Guitar Journey tour of New Zealand. You just saw a performance from my first concert of the tour in Absurdistan Hall. That was me playing the Battle of Aughrim, ancient Irish battle march, at Kaiwaka in the Absurdistan Hall, and had a lovely concert there on Sunday, a really nice audience, and as you can see it's a really beautiful venue, stunning scenery around the place and bird song and everything, so it was a really lovely way to start the tour. I'm here in Waipu, near Waipu Cove, at the base camp, as I'm calling it, before heading off tomorrow towards Patawaru, the next place where the tour is going. And on Friday, I'm playing at the Plaza Theatre in Patawaru, and it's a theatre I played in before a few years ago, where I was touring another program called Around the World in 80 Minutes. So I'm really looking forward to returning there to Tararu for the second date of the tour. And the tour has been made even better by news I received this week that Culture Ireland have decided to award me with a travel grant to support the tour, which is wonderful news. Really helps make the tour feasible and more enjoyable, and I just want to thank Culture Ireland so much for their support. And tour dates for those of you in New Zealand are in the link below, and hope to see you at one of the concerts. After Patawaru, heading off to an amazing area called Waitomo Caves, and playing for the Stubbs family there, who are wonderful people. And I've composed a few tunes in their honor, in honor of the area and their lovely dogs that they have there, Fig and Leaf, which I'll be playing at the concert. And yeah, so really looking forward to that on Saturday at Rock Retreat. And you can, if you're in the area, you can find out more by looking at the tour dates below of how to get to that. That's a house concert, so it's a really intimate, in a beautiful area of New Zealand. And if you're not in New Zealand, just stay tuned to YouTube and social media for further tour updates as they go on. Thanks for tuning in.